Sammy. Hey, baby. Hey, sweetheart. Say hi. Show him your paw. Say hi. Say, my paw hurts. Yeah, see? Put your hand in Mommy's hand. See? Put your hand in Mama's hand. I love you, Sammy. Hi, baby. Yeah, he had icky medicine. He didn't like it, but he's so sweet. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Let's see what he does. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, baby. He's playing with the string with the digital camera. Sammy, no. Thank you, Sammy. No, sir. Yeah, baby. Say hi, people. Say hi, people. Say, my mommy. I love my mommy. I'm going to show y'all something. See that thing on the wall? Me and my grandma made that when I was 10 years old, and it says, "Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Let love go with me all the night and wake me in the morning light." And it's hand-stitched. Yep. But anyway, Sammy. Hey, what's wrong with you? Yeah, Sammy's got bling bling. Yo, Sammy. What are you doing sniffing my finger? My finger must smell good. Yo. That's the paw that he hurt, as you can see. He hurt himself. But he can still lick himself. What are you doing? That's so nasty. See? He's still favoring it, but he got medicine. Say, yes, I got medicine. It tastes horrible and I don't like it and it makes me sleepy. But I have to take it. Yeah, he's still pretty. You can hear him purring. Oops. Say hi, people on YouTube. Say hi, people. Say, my name is Sammy. And I'm 2 years old. And I have a brother that's a dog. And we get along fine. He don't mess with me and I don't mess with him. Sammy. Sam. Tim said he was looking at a ghost. I don't know. There ain't nothing on that wall. So, oh, he's gonna lay down now. Oh, excuse the roar. Yes, stinky fish breath. Stinky, stinky, stinky fish breath. That's my baby. Sammy. Say bye. Sam. He's totally ignoring me. I think it's the ghost. The YouTube ghost. Okay, bye.